Did you know there are free SEO tools that you can use to research your lead magnet topic that will help you create a better lead magnet that will lead to more conversions? Huge. I know, guys. Isn't that exciting? I'm Rachel Lindhagen, president and founder of Etched Marketing and Etched Marketing Academy. And in today's training lesson, I'm going to walk you through how you use SEO research tools for your lead magnet topic. Okay, the first thing that we're going to want to look at are some keyword research tools, because when we look at keyword research, we look at what are people searching for, what do they have interest in. Many times we will see questions arise in that research process. So you will see, how do I X? Can I do Y? What's the best Z? You will see that show up in your queries as you're doing keyword research. So go into a Google Keyword Planner or go into SEMrush, Moz, Small SEO Tools, whichever keyword research tool is your favorite. Go in there and start searching terms related to your core product offering, your niche. Frequently asked questions. Frequently asked questions are a great place to go from a research standpoint, because those are things that your ideal customer is looking for, and those are questions they have when they're thinking about making a purchase decision. So the very first thing you can do is to use those keyword research tools. The second thing that you can do is to use Google Suggested Search. I love Google Suggested Search for lead magnet topics. And the reason I love it is the data in Google Suggested Search is exactly what people are searching for. Google is filling it out because people are searching for that, and they think that that might be what I'm looking for too. So how do I leverage this? I go to Google and I start typing in something related to my topic. So for me, I might do SEO easy start. How do I X? Those are going to start to give you some ideas. So from there, jot down the ideas you see. Then you can go back and do a little bit of keyword research and see which of the ideas has the most search volume behind it. That'll help you understand how much opportunity there is. Another place that you can go, another tool you can use, is Quora. Quora or Answer the Public. Both of these are going to give you the opportunity to see what type questions do people search for? What are they looking for that's related to your topic? What questions do they ask on a regular basis? So those are both great places to look. The other two that you could look at are Pinterest. Pinterest is a visual search engine. So if you go to Pinterest and you start typing in about your product, your service, your niche, you're going to get suggested boards. You're going to get suggested pins. You will see trends. You may see it may be that you see an opt-in that someone else has that would be a great option for your business. Don't copy them, but you can use that as inspiration. Don't ever plagiarize, don't ever copy, but use it as inspiration. The other place that you can look is YouTube. YouTube is the second largest search engine, only behind Google. Another great place to see what type content are people interested in, what questions are they asking, what videos are out there, how can you further serve your niche. So you're going to do some keyword research. You're going to use some of the tools such as Answer the Public or Quora, Google Suggested Search. You're going to check some social channels that you might not have thought of as search engines, and that would be Pinterest and YouTube. You're going to come up with a big list of ideas, and then you're going to go ahead and create a new lead magnet. You're going to create a page for that lead magnet, and you're going to optimize that page for SEO. And that's how you're going to create a lead magnet that your ideal customer wants, that they're searching for, and that you can use to get your website found in Google. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor, like it, subscribe, and leave me a comment below. Let me know what was your biggest takeaway from this particular training video. All right, guys, I'll see you soon. Bye.